Okay.
Tony, what you doing?
I'm gonna get a churro and a bottle of water.
First churro.
Yeah.
First churro alert.
Has your most recent remaining balance on it.
All right. Here comes our bottle of water.
Oh yeah, that's not exciting. I was like, look at it.
Water.
Water. Ooh, get in that sugar.
And the world famous churro.
Thank you. Woohoo.
Thank you.
That'd be gross.
Oh, gross.
I would like that.
In the shade, mister.
It's a
What do you
dang good
think?
churro.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Huh?
That's awesome. Yeah, I would love to. Good churro.
Not yet.
Churro.
That's a good churro. Wow. I'm Pirates now. It's supposed to be just a 20-minute wait, so we will see.
There's a restaurant here too.
Yeah.
The one in Paris had that.
Yeah, the blue bottle.
So cute. Woo!
Oh, that's cool.
This is the worst thing that's ever happened. Screaming babies. Boats will not stop bumping.
This is so cool.
This is beautiful.
So how'd you like the new pirate?
Good. It made my body wet just a tiny bit. So
What part of your body?
My just at the very end, we lifted and then it sent you back down in the water to go off, and it just tiniest bit of water came in.
It was fun
But I
though.
really enjoyed that version of it.
I like the beginning part. I like the lightning part with the guy steering the wheel.
Yeah.
That part was different.
I liked it better than World. TBH.
Not that it's always a competition, but I like this one better. What do you guys think?
General consensus?
I liked it better than World.
Yeah, it's been better.
Yeah!
Better than World.
5 thumbs up.
So now our Fast Pass is getting ready to open for Indiana Jones.
Yeah,
so
4 minutes. Let's do it.
Let's go hit that up. Look at Big Thunder with the sun going down. And all these people. But mostly Big Thunder. We're fast passing Indiana Jones. It's our first one on this system at Disneyland. And we're members. Card-carrying members.
I'm excited because I'm pretty sure this is the ride that's exactly the same as Dinosaur and Animal Kingdom. Like
just with a different overlay.
Yeah, it's like a sister ride. So
speaking of sister.
Sister.
I'm new.
Yeah, I'm excited for this. I've heard nothing but good things about this.
Yeah, really. Like everyone seems to love this ride.
But I think I'm gonna need to watch Indiana Jones, like at some point.
Yeah, probably.
It would probably help.
They're moving it.
Oh, and now they stop.
I'd like to move it.
Silly.
All right.
This queue is super quick and cool.
I want to stop and look at everything, but I also just want to get on the ride. Seriously, you're gone for so long.
It's been hours since we've talked to you last.
9.5 years later, this is the cue that never runs. Oh, I think we're here though.
I think it's about to
I think
end.
it ended.
Silly.
It's broke. I don't know what happened. It had nothing to do with it. We didn't. We are just here looking at it and it broke it. My cast member went down on the track, so that's a pretty bad sign. But maybe that means it's being resolved. We'll see. More to follow. More to follow. Stay tuned to this exhilarating vlog. Tony is not impressed. Alright, we're gonna be front row. Tony's gonna drive.
I don't have my commercial driver's license.
You don't?
I left it at home.
Oh no. Well, we'll figure this out. Bye. Here comes my ride. Bye.
So Indiana Jones was awesome.
It was.
It was so much fun. Like,
Yeah.
it's very similar to Dinosaur, but
Yeah.
it was just so fun. I don't know what was so different.
It was really well themed and adventurous and silly, and
I don't know, it was a good time.
it was good. I liked it a lot, and the friends we were with liked it too. So it's always nice when like the whole group is enjoying something.
Yeah, everybody loved it.
That was good. From there, we tried to head over to Space Mountain to get a fast pass for Hyperspace Mountain. We're still trying to figure out this whole fast pass system. It's like crazy confusing. I mean, it's very straightforward, but it's just different from what we're used to, and we were trying to not zigzag across the park too much and put more miles on our feet before this long weekend, but so we kind of succeeded, but also we really failed. Like, we've been on our feet way too long.
Yeah.
Tony and I have been up for like
21 hours.
21 hours now at this point.
And that was only 3 hours of sleep.
About to get, yeah, and that was after only 3 hours of sleep. And now we're about to get about the same. So, oh well, we're having a great time, and this is just how we have to do Disney on these tight, short little weekends.
We were standing by Hyperspace Mountain and somebody walked up and they were like, hey, do you want a fast pass for Hyperspace Mountain? I was like, sure. They handed one to me, and they only handed one, so I got to go by myself, but it was so fun. I can't wait for Lyndsay to see it. Like, it's,
I'm super excited.
Sitting twosies is so fun. I didn't have anyone next to me, but like just sitting next to somebody.
That'll be fun. That'll be so different from what we're used to, because usually Tony sits in front or behind me and hears me scream, but this time it'll be right here, just right
like that.
Fun.
So we did that, and then we were trying to find a spot for the parade, and we just couldn't. It was really difficult. It was
you really need to stake this stuff out in advance, is what we learned. There was people with blankets, with picnics, like people had
they were there all day. I swear, had to have been there like hours.
We had not seen these people all day. We had zero crowds over in Adventure and Frontierland. We were living it up. And then all of a sudden, we walked back to Main Street, and it was just chaos.
And we couldn't get food anywhere, and it was expensive.
Oh my gosh, there was like a 100-person line for the corn dog cart, which I'm not dissing corn dogs. I love corn dogs. I would have gotten down on some corn dogs in that moment, but that line was ridiculous, and same for like the churros and the popcorn.
And none of them were moving.
Like, forget like the actual restaurants and quick services. Those lines were stupid long, and so we were just like, forget it. There's Panera next door to our hotel. So we got a sandwich.
We got
to
some
split.
sandwich to eat.
But yeah, so obviously we were back at the room now. Got our sandwich. We're about to eat that. But first we had to lay out our little running outfits and get ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
No costumes tomorrow, just kind of general colors.
General things.
Yeah, Tony's kind of green and black.
Green.
And I'm kind of pink and red. We have better costumes for Sunday, but tomorrow's will just have to be just what it is. But we're excited. And I believe tomorrow will be our first time in DCA.
Yeah, it'll
That'll
be
interesting.
It'll be during the run. Like we saw some of the things from the road, but we couldn't actually we didn't have time to go in. So first time seeing a lot of things are up close. It's gonna be during the run, during the 10K. I'm excited for that.
Yeah, definitely.
So.
But for now, we have to call it a night because we are super exhausted. Gonna hopefully enjoy a few hours of sleep. And we will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, like 4 o'clock. Oh. I have nothing else to say.
Well.
So we just laid down in bed, and it's fireworks time. That makes this hotel even better. Ooh, focus, please.
Good night one more time.
So, for now, for real, good night.
We gotta get up in like 5
Oh my
hours.
God, no. But I bet it will be a very fun day. So, I'm excited to get there.
Let's do it.